Hello, I hope everyone is doing well. Well, according to CNN, more than 5,000 people are presumed dead and 10,000 missing after heavy rains in northeastern Libya caused two dams to collapse, surging more water into the already inundated areas. At least 5,300 people are thought dead, said the Interior Minister of Libya's eastern government on Tuesday. State media LANA Atlanta reported CNN has not been able to independently verify the number of deaths or those missing. Of those who were killed, at least 145 were Egyptian officials in the northeastern city of Tobruk in Libya said on Tuesday. Whole neighborhoods are believed to have been washed away in the city, according to authorities. Hospitals in Derna are no longer operable and the morgues are full, said Osama Ali, an emergency and ambulance service spokesperson. Dead bodies have been left outside the morgues on the sidewalks, he told CNN. There are no first-hand emergency services. People are working at the moment to collect the rotting bodies, said Anas Bargathy. I think that's how you say it, a doctor currently volunteering in Derna. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is horrible. The rain, which has swept across several cities in Libya's northeast, is the result of a very strong low pressure system that brought catastrophic flooding to Greece last week and moved into the Mediterranean before developing into a tropical like cyclone known as a Medicane. The deadly storm comes in an unprecedented year of climate disasters and record breaking weather extremes, from devastating wildfires to oppressive heat. Wow. Just as ocean temperatures around the world soar off the charts due to planet warming pollution, the temperature of the Mediterranean is well above average, which scientists say fuel the storm's heavy rainfall. The warmer water does not only fuel those storms in terms of rainfall intensity, it also makes them more ferocious. Karen Hostin, climate scientist and meteorologist in Germany, told the Science Media Center. You guys, this is this is horrible. I know a lot of people do not believe in climate change, or a lot of people believe that the government is altering the weather. There is technology to alter weather. In China, there were stories all over the internet, even on some reputable news channels, that China was seeding their clouds. And I forgot what the concoction is that they, put in their clouds to make it rain. But they were seeding, is what it's called, their clouds to make it rain because they needed water. And so there is that technology. And do I believe that it's been used on people in the United States? You bet your butt I do. There was a flood in Louisiana in 2016, and it started to rain. I think it was on a Wednesday or a Thursday, and the rain came down overnight. They called it a 500-year flood, I think. And Baton Rouge, Louisiana, Denham Springs, and a lot of the little surrounding areas, people lost their homes. I don't remember if anyone lost their life, but it was a very, very sad situation. And some people still have not, in 2023, gotten back into their homes. They've just abandoned them. But so yeah, I believe that. I'm not saying that that is what happened, but I believe that it's been used. But I also believe that there is the planet is warming, whether you want to call it climate change or not. The planet is actually warming. I mean, here in Louisiana, we were baking until maybe no, not Sunday, maybe yesterday, Monday. We noticed that in the mornings it was a little bit cooler, and we're not getting up to like 110 now, but it was horrible. People were going to the emergency room from getting overheated. People lost their lives from this heat. Someone in my husband's family actually went to the hospital a few days ago from working. So yeah, the planet is heating up, whether you like it or not, whether what you want to call it or not. We have to open our eyes and see what's going on. Earthquakes, right? We had a horrendous earthquake in Morocco that killed a bunch of people. And they said it was like one of the worst earthquakes to ever, hit there. But if we believe what's in the Bible, we're seeing birth pains, right? I don't know if you believe, but I believe. And I believe that things are going to get worse. So, you guys, start stocking up on things that you will need in case something happens. What if we're stuck in our homes for an extended period of time for some reason? Don't know what it could be, but it could happen. Look at what's going on around the world. And that old RONA that old C19 is creeping up again. And there are reports of the hospitals starting to fill up and people starting to go 6 feet under. So just stock up on things that you will need so that you and your family will have. And I know it's hard to start off, but do a little bit at a time, as much as you can. Instead of buying a bag of candy, why don't you buy a can of milk? Start somewhere, right? If the bag of candy is $2, a can of milk in Walmart is like $1.75 now, when they used to be 98 cents, right? But start somewhere. Start somewhere. And stay safe out there, you guys. Let me know what your thoughts are on what is going on in the world.